This is the JBL Flip 6. This is JBL's latest and greatest in the Flip family after a successful run with the Flip 5. Now, while this may be the newest toy available, is it really that much better than the Flip 5 or even the Flip 4? Will this actually offer you more bang for your buck? What can you expect when you get it? What feature does it have? And what does it sound like? Who is this for? And what can you expect when you get it? Well, let's find out. At first glance, the JBL Flip 6 looks almost identical to the Flip 4 with a cylindrical build, wraparound grille, and base radiators. The metallic looking grille is flanked by rubberized end caps that give the base radiators on each side of the speaker a bit of protection from bumps and scrapes, while a rubber foot at the bottom of the speaker stops it from rolling off whatever surface you place it on. It's available in black, blue, red, and gray. Above the JBL logo, you'll find all your controls: party boost, volume down, volume up, and play. On the bottom of the speaker is where you'll find the power and Bluetooth pairing buttons, which light up with you as you press them, along with a USB-C charging port, but there is no charge port for your phone in the speaker. The Flip 6 feels just as rugged as the Flip 4, but this time JBL has introduced dust resistance alongside water resistance. Its IP67 rating, that means you can happily take the Flip 6 to the beach without needing to worry about a little sand or a splash of seawater breaking it. The speaker is called the Flip because it can be stood up vertically or laid down horizontally. I think it sounds slightly better laid down horizontally, but it's not a major difference. While it does feature dual drivers, this is a mono speaker. However, you can wirelessly link two Flip 6s together by the JBL portable app for iOS and Android to create a stereo pair or just augment the sound. The app allows you to update the speaker's firmware and also has an equalizer that allows you to tweak the sound signature slightly. And we'll get to what it sounds like a little later on in the video. JBL says the Flip 6 should last for around 12 hours of playback, which is the same amount of time as the previously mentioned Flip 4. You can top up the battery with 2.5 hours with a USB-C cable. The connectivity comes courtesy of Bluetooth 5.1. So you shouldn't experience any annoying connectivity dropouts while you're using the Flip 6. You can use the party boost function to pair two compatible JBL speakers in stereo or multiple speakers, actually up to 100 in fact if you ever need a home concert, but it can only pair to other Flip 6s. If you're looking for a great sounding Bluetooth speaker that can fill a room as well as all those outdoor adventures, then the JBL Flip 6 is an excellent choice. The woofer delivers powerful bass and rich mid frequencies, while a separate tweeter provides high levels of clarity from treble tones. Those passive radiators on each end of the speaker extend to the low end, even further for satisfying chest thumping bass lines that never sound bloated or muddy. Despite its small size, the JBL Flip 6 easily reaches loud volumes and sound doesn't distort as you crank it up. With a good handle of complex rhythms and time signatures, bumping audio up to the highest volumes can lead to some harsh treble sounds, but generally the audio performance is warm and well balanced with an excellent sense of clarity. This small, mobile speaker has as good a sound as the bigger Extreme 3 in my opinion, and at half the price. The compact Flip 6 is a very travel-friendly Bluetooth speaker, and JBL keeps managing to coax more bass and volume out of it. Like all these compact wireless speakers, it does have its limitations. While it avoids distorting at higher volumes, if you throw a complicated track at it with lots of instruments playing, it will ratchet back the bass a bit to avoid distorting. For me personally, this speaker is one of my favorites that I've tested. It sounds fantastic as long as you don't have it blaring and is mobile enough for you to take it anywhere. If you're looking to upgrade your speaker game, this is the one I would take a look at. But that's just my opinion. Why don't you let me know your opinions in the comments down below. Give the video a like if you learned anything, and maybe hit that subscribe button if you enjoy these types of reviews. If you want a cheaper option where you'll lose some sound but still get a good quality speaker, check out this video on the Flip 4. You might find something for you there.